Babalik ang PTV Sports sa ating sports banter. Makakasama natin si Aldrian Zambrano para ibahagi ang tungkol sa Season 2 ng Gameville Foundation Volleyball Tournament. Good morning, Sir Aldrian.
Hi, good morning. Good morning po.
So, we're talking about Gameville. Ano po ba ang Gameville Foundation Volleyball Tournament?
Okay. Siguro ano ko lang yung brief history ng ating Gameville Phil Nation Volleyball Tournament. Gameville actually is a Gameville known as Gameville Sportswear first, who provides high quality athletes product, sportswear na founded by Sir Johnny Balagbagan. And in 2011, he decided to expand and to create a sports facility which is named as Gameville Ballpark in 2003 and directed by Sir CJ and Ma'am Abby Alcazar. And in 2024, last year, we decided to have a Gameville Phil Nation Volleyball Tournament Season 1 composed, siyempre, teams from the international and compete here in the Philippines. Yun.
Sir Aldriano, tanong ko lang, sabi nyo kanina, Gameville started off as a sportswear.
Yes.
Why decide na pasukin itong mundo ng sports in terms of tournaments?
Yes. Actually, we decided to have a tournament like this kasi the first goal is to have a sports tourism in the Philippines. And siyempre, our mission is to have a funnest and unforgettable volleyball tournament experience ng mga athletes where they can compete, grow, and shine. And to have a vibrant community na nagli-lead sa kanilang passion and excellence, and to have lasting memories in and off the court. Yes.
And Sir Aldrian, nabanggit mo, no, funnest experience ng mga athletes. Sa kwento mo naman, paano naging matagumpay yung season 1 nyo and then ngayon magkakaroon na kayo ng season 2?
Yes, actually, sobrang excited ang mga players. Lalo na noong last season, they compete with, siyempre, masaya. Then, yung pagdating ng season 2, they inquire us and ask kailan ulit yung season 2. So dun pa lang, from the last season, very successful. How about na we have to level up na yung season 2 namin. So kaya yung success nung last season, very na-receive namin at galak kami dahil nga maraming naghihintay ng ganitong tournament namin.
Sir Aldrian, na-mention nyo na gusto nyong i-level up itong Season 2. Ano po ba yung difference or e-expect namin this Season 2 compared dun sa Season 1? And ilang teams po bang kasali?
From the Season 1, we started 16 teams. 8 for girls, 19 under, and 8 for boys, 19 under. For this Season 2, they doubled the, we have 10 teams na boys and 10 teams sa girls. Tapos we have mini tournament which is 16 under girls. Yun.
Pero ito, nabanggit nyo na dumoble po yung number of teams. So for sure, tatagal po yung tournament natin for this year. Pero ano po ba magiging tournament format natin for Season 2?
Tournament format natin for Season 2, the 10 teams will be divided into 2 brackets. They compete single round. And dun sa per pool nila, they have the top 2 teams qualified to semifinals and will be compete each other sa cross bracket. Then the winner of semis will be compete to gold medal match.
May mga brackets
May brackets,
this season.
yes.
Kasi ang daming ang koponan na sumali. Pero sino po ba yung mga volleyball players to watch for?
Sa volleyball players to watch, kasi since 19 under no last year, no, they graduated na. So siguro yung teams na to watch is our season champion last year, for the girls, FEU, Diliman, and for the boys, UST Junior Growling Tigers ang mga champion. So, for this season, yun yung wina-watch namin kung same as pa rin sila the last season.
Abangan natin yan kasi may mga bagong teams na po nabanggit mo.
Actually, meron kami mga Phil Nation last year na sinelect na ng mga iba't ibang school. So, galing sa international teams, they compete na here as a local.
So,
Kaya
itong-
yun yung maganda nung volleyball tournament.
Basically, dito sa tournament nila na sa Gameville, may nagsascout na rin pala
Oo,
ng mga
meron na rin.
schools.
Actually po. And we're inviting coaches to watch at para makita rin po nila yung mga players na from other country to here in our local players.
At ka, Sir Adrian, kumbaga marami na nagsusulputan ng mga ganitong klaseng leagues, no? Giving platform to our young athletes and dito sa volleyball. Pero ano po ba ang mission po ng Gameville? Bakit po patuloy niyo itong ginagawang ganitong klaseng torneo?
Yes, katulad po nung sinabi ko kanina, the main goal is the first is to have a sports tourism na invite natin na alam naman natin ang Philippines is the best hospitable country.
Yes.
Number one, siyempre, yung mga siyempre, sports facility natin, inaangat na natin. So, the mission is to this tournament to have unforgettable memory experience kasi like na to have a recognition dun sa mga players, young athletes natin na hindi commonly na halimbawa mga commonly known as Eliza Valdez, yung mga behind Eliza Valdez na mga athletes, yun yung ano namin, ito parang mas
Spotlight.
Spotlight namin na ano ba yung next nila after this year na to college, if ever man na na mapunta sila o di na sila tumuloy, meron pa silang ganitong core memory. Oo.
Basically, Sir Adriano, it's a grassroots program.
Yes po, grassroots
And at the
program.
same time, ang kagandahan nito is the promotion of sports tourism in our country through volleyball.
Yes.
Ito, nabanggit nyo, Sir Adrian, July 9 na yung start nito at July 2 magkakaroon kayo ng media day. So, can you please invite yung mga volleyball fans natin dyan, napakarami yan dito, to come and watch yung mga games po ninyo this coming July 9.
Yes. I-invite po namin ang mga volleyball fans, volleyball enthusiasts, sports enthusiasts to join and watch this coming season 2 volleyball tournament sa July 9 sa Gameville Ballpark, Mandaluyong. Ayun, maraming masayang experience dito at maraming teams na magko-compete sa volleyball tournament na to.
Ayan.
With that,
Good luck po.
maraming salamat.
Thank you po,
Sir
thank you po.
Thank you so much, sir. At good luck sa inyong tournament at sana maging successful po ulit itong season 2 po ng volleyball tournament po ng Gameville.